Welcome to this session on Advanced grep with Context. In this session, you'll learn how to use grep with context lines and multiple patterns. Let's understand what context means in grep. First, let's discuss the limitations of basic grep. Standard grep only shows the lines that match the specified pattern. The missing surrounding context can be problematic, making it hard to understand the full picture. It can also be difficult to see related information. To address this, grep provides context options. These options allow you to show lines before a match, using the flag be followed by the number of lines. Show lines after a match using the flag a followed by the number of lines. Show lines around a match using the flag C followed by the number of lines. Using these context options makes search results more meaningful. Here's how to use grep to show context before a match. To show two lines before each match, use the B option. For example, the command grep b2 error system.log will search for the word error in the file system.log and display two lines before each match. In the output, the matching line database connection error timeout is highlighted. The two lines before it, starting application service and initializing database connection, are also displayed with a different color to indicate they are the before context. Here's how to use grep to show context after a match. To show two lines after each match, use the option. For example, the command grep a2 error system.log will search for the word error in the file system.log and display two lines after each match. In the output, the matching line input validation error, missing required field, is highlighted. The two lines after it, sending error response to client and request handling completed, are also displayed with a different color to indicate they are the after context. Here's how to use grep to show context around a match. To show two lines before and after each match, use the option. For example, the command grep c2 error system.log will search for the word error in the file system.log and display two lines before and after each match. In the output, the matching line database connection error timeout is highlighted. The two lines before it, starting application service and initializing database connection, and the two lines after it, attempting reconnection and reconnection successful, are also displayed to show the context around the matched line. Here's how to search for multiple patterns with context using grep. To search for multiple patterns and show context, use the option multiple times along with the C option for context. For example, the command grep c1 error warning system.log will search for the words error and warning in the file system.log and display one line before and after each match. In the output, the matching lines database connection error, timeout, and system resource warning, high memory usage are highlighted. The lines before and after them are displayed to show the context around the matched lines. Here are some best practices and tips for using grep with context. Practical applications include debugging application logs, analyzing configuration files, code review and understanding, and finding patterns in large datasets. Advanced techniques include combining with an option for line numbers, using color equals auto for highlighting, piping results to less R for scrolling, and redirecting output to a file with output.txt. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.